What if there was a way to ensure every transaction you make, every record you keep, is secure, transparent, yet completely private? Welcome to the world of blockchain technology, a groundbreaking system that's reshaping how we think about digital transactions and data management. At its heart, blockchain offers a novel approach to recording transactions and data in a way that is both open for verification and protected against fraud. This innovative technology combines the power of cryptography, decentralization, and consensus to create a trustless environment where transactions are not just possible, but inherently secure and private. Now, let's explore how blockchain achieves this delicate balance of transparency and anonymity, how it stores data across a network of computers to prevent control by any single entity, and why it might just be the most important technological advancement of our time. Concept of blockchain. Blockchain technology functions like a digital ledger, meticulously recording transactions and information in a manner that is both secure and transparent. Picture a detailed notebook in which you jot down every transaction you engage in. In this metaphor, each page of the notebook represents a block, and these blocks are intricately linked to those preceding and following them, forming a continuous chain, aptly named blockchain. This ledger isn't stored in a single location. Instead, copies are distributed across a vast network, making it nearly impossible for anyone to manipulate or falsify the recorded information. The openness of the ledger, coupled with its decentralized nature, ensures that every participant can verify the transactions independently, fostering a unique environment of trust. Beyond its foundational role in powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the potential applications of blockchain extend into various sectors where the integrity, transparency, and reliability of data are paramount. From securing medical records to streamlining supply chains and even ensuring the authenticity of academic credentials, blockchain is paving the way for a future where digital trust is implicit and transactions are transparent and secure, embodying a revolutionary approach to data management and exchange in our increasingly digital world. Transactions. In the realm of blockchain technology, every interaction that occurs within its network is considered a transaction. This encompasses a wide array of activities, from trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to the simple act of transferring data between parties. Each transaction is like a digital handshake, an agreement that is securely recorded on the blockchain. Once initiated, this digital exchange is verified by the network's participants, ensuring its authenticity and securing it against tampering. This process is akin to having witnesses in a digital realm, where every transaction is observed and confirmed by many, adding layers of security and trust. The beauty of blockchain transactions lies in their versatility and security. Whether it's sending a friend some digital currency, buying property virtually, or sharing sensitive medical records, each transaction is encrypted and stored across multiple locations in the network. This dispersal not only protects against data loss, but also against unauthorized changes, making blockchain transactions incredibly secure and reliable. In this digital age, blockchain stands as a testament to how we can exchange value and information with confidence, knowing that each transaction is part of an unbreakable chain of digital integrity. Blocks. In the blockchain world, every transaction is meticulously cataloged within a structure known as a block. Think of each block as a digital page in an ever-growing ledger, where transactions are recorded in ink that never fades. These blocks, once filled with a set number of transactions, are sealed and chronologically attached to the chain of previously filled blocks, akin to linking cars together to form a train. This chain forms a permanent record of transactions that is transparent to all participants but secure against tampering, thanks to cryptographic principles. Each addition to the chain reinforces the integrity and history of all preceding blocks, making the blockchain a fortress of digital trust. The sealing of a block involves a consensus among network participants, ensuring that every transaction is validated and immutable. This process, emblematic of blockchain's revolutionary approach, not only guarantees the security and permanence of data, but also underpins the system's ability to function without centralized oversight. Through this ingenious mechanism, Blockchain technology provides a robust and transparent framework for secure digital transactions, embodying a leap forward in how we conceive of and maintain records in the digital age. Verification. In the blockchain ecosystem, the verification of transactions is a critical step, performed by a vast network of computers, often referred to as nodes. These nodes employ complex algorithms to scrutinize and validate each transaction, ensuring its legitimacy before it's permanently recorded on the blockchain. This decentralized verification process is akin to a digital consensus, where multiple parties must agree on the validity of the transaction, thereby eliminating the need for a central authority. This method not only enhances the security and integrity of the transactions, but also imbues the system with a level of trust and transparency unparalleled in traditional systems. Each node in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, which means that every transaction and its subsequent verification add another layer of security. This is because altering any information would require overriding the consensus of the entire network, a feat practically impossible due to the sheer computational power needed. The verification process is the backbone of blockchain technology, ensuring that each transaction is authentic, tamper-proof, and aligned with the history of the blockchain, thus maintaining the system's credibility and reliability. Security through cryptography. Blockchain technology secures its data through the use of sophisticated cryptography, where each block in the chain is assigned a unique code known as a hash. This hash, akin to a digital fingerprint, not only identifies the block and all of its contents, but also includes the hash of the block that came before it. This ingenious design creates an unbreakable chain of dependency among the blocks. To alter any single block would require changing every subsequent block's hash as well, a task that is computationally implausible due to the immense amount of processing power needed. This cryptographic linking ensures that once a block is added to the blockchain, tampering with its contents becomes virtually impossible, safeguarding the integrity of the entire chain. Additionally, the decentralized nature of the blockchain means that the ledger is not stored in a single location, but is distributed across numerous nodes, further complicating any potential tampering attempts. Through this combination of cryptographic hashing and decentralized storage, blockchain technology provides a secure and immutable record-keeping mechanism, establishing a foundation of trust and security in the digital world. Decentralization. Decentralization stands as a cornerstone of blockchain technology, setting it apart from traditional centralized systems. By distributing its ledger across a vast network of computers, blockchain eliminates the need for a central authority, thereby decentralizing control and reducing vulnerability to failures or attacks. This network of computers or nodes each holds a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring that no single point of failure can compromise the integrity of the data. This architecture not only enhances security, but also fosters a more democratic system of data management, where updates and validations of the ledger require consensus among participants. This collective approach to maintaining the ledger ensures transparency and trust, as changes to the blockchain are visible to all participants and can only occur through widespread agreement. The decentralized nature of blockchain thus represents a paradigm shift in how information is stored and shared, promising a future where digital transactions and records are more secure, transparent, and resistant to censorship or control by any single entity. This model of distributed consensus paves the way for innovations in finance, data management, and beyond, heralding a new era of internet and digital communication. Transparency and anonymity. Blockchain technology masterfully balances the dual principles of transparency and anonymity, creating a system where every transaction is visible to everyone within the network, yet the identities of the participants remain concealed. This transparency ensures that anyone can verify and audit transactions independently, fostering an environment of trust and openness unparalleled in traditional financial systems. At the same time, anonymity is preserved through the use of cryptographic addresses that represent users on the blockchain. These addresses allow participants to engage in transactions without revealing their personal information, providing a layer of privacy that protects users' identities. This unique combination of transparency and anonymity addresses key concerns of the digital age. the need for public accountability in transactions, and the equally important need for individual privacy. By allowing for the traceability of transactions while safeguarding user anonymity, blockchain technology offers a revolutionary approach to digital interactions. This framework not only enhances security and trust among participants, but also opens up new possibilities for how we conduct transactions, share information, and manage our digital identities in an increasingly connected world. As we've journeyed through the complexities and innovations of blockchain technology today, we've only scratched the surface of its potential to revolutionize our digital world. Here at Digital Money Investor, we're committed to uncovering and exploring the technologies that shape our financial future. If you're fascinated by the possibilities of a more secure, transparent, and equitable digital landscape, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Together, we'll continue to demystify the digital economy, one video at a time. Stay tuned for more insights, and remember, the future of money is digital, and the future is now.